I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Made it down to the mechanic shop today at Elite Automotive at Archerfield, who are installing the supercharger to my 2017 Mustang GT. To say I'm excited is a massive understatement as usual, because I saw some photos this morning on some social media that Paul, the owner of the shop, posted, and it was up on the hoist, and let me tell you, they got us stuck into it. The headers are in, the cats, full exhaust is all in, and it looks absolutely sensational. Just needs to be wiped down by the lads. When they finished lining it all up, we're getting all the tips perfect and all that sort of stuff in alignment. So I just had a quick look underneath the car before, and it looks absolutely magnificent. The manifold's ripped out as well, the whole front end's taken off as well, so they need to put the heat exchangers in and all that sort of stuff for the supercharger, and the external oil cooler as well. So they're doing bits and pieces on that at the moment. And looking really good so far. So really excited about the progress on the Mustang, that's for sure. We're going to have a bit of a sticky beak and see how it's all travelling. Good on you. That's all the old exhaust system and the stock headers. The stock cat converters and the aftermarket mufflers. Did alright those. Then I've got the Mishimoto H pipe down through there as well. Awesome. Let's have a look underneath. The boys are just doing some stuff in the engine bay, so I won't bother them lifting the car up, but we'll get underneath here. See some of the exhaust system. Mufflers through there. All the way through, you can see the new sway bars that I put in a few episodes ago. That looks absolutely bloody unreal.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect, it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart stop beating, and the air gets tough just breathing. I'm alone, but I'm still feeling like someone's with me. It's strange, I know, but I feel like you're here with me, like chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
There's all the old bits, the old air intake from Air Raid. And there's the old manifold there. Geez, that's a lump too, isn't it? Unreal. No worries, Paul, too easy, mate. There's the heat exchanger for the supercharger. It's all happening.
Time is unfair, 'cause I know you're out there somewhere, patient, waiting unaware, feeling like your grip might slip too soon. But I'm running, chasing speed and gunning. I'll be right there all of a sudden. I feel your heartbeat
Yeah, so there we go. We're certainly getting on with the lads. The spark plugs are just going in now, so yeah, doing bits and pieces, bit of the wiring harness and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, super excited about this one, guys. They're really cracking on with it, which is really good. So cannot wait to get this car back and get some more footage of you guys. We've got to get it out on the dyno as well, get it all tuned and all that sort of stuff. So yeah, plenty more videos to come, that's for sure. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up for me, much appreciated, and make sure you smash the subscribe button for plenty more content to turn up on Red Match 1970. You guys have a great afternoon, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video. Cheers.